What up, YouTube family? Now, in case you've been under a rock, we're in a pandemic. We're in a pandemic, right? We know this. We also heard the rumors that there's going to be a potential stock market crash, right? We had a stock market little baby crash in 2020, but the word is that it's going to be a more massive dip or fall or crash in the market as of 2021, right? Now, I've heard people say different things and have different ideas of what you should do or whatever. And the one thing I always hear is invest in something strong, something that's real, something that's tangible, and then they go real estate. Real estate? Really? That's your answer? I'm not saying yes, I'm not saying no, but I'm just giving you a real perspective that I don't hear anyone really talking about. Probably because a lot of them don't deal with it. Or a lot of them have big budgets and they are dealing in communities with people with big budgets. So they don't have necessarily the same issues that the real working class people, middle class, lower middle class people have. When you tell somebody to invest in real estate, yes, it's very much, yeah, you can do it. Yeah, it's not hard. Get a loan, take your own money, whatever, get it how you get it. But here's the thing, are you able to handle owning multiple properties? Do you have a contractor that's going to be able to fix these properties at hand? Because it's not just, I'm just going to find somebody. I'll find somebody. Do you have a guy? Do you have guys, multi-talented guys, specialty guys that you can just go pull up on or call on the phone and they're going to actually come and actually do the work? Do you have enough experience to know what's going on? Because a lot of times when these guys come in your house, they can hit you with the okie doke. They can do anything to your house. How do you know that they are fixing your house? How do you know that the problem is squared away? Because meanwhile, they've done the work. You've paid them. They drove away. Once they drive away, that's it. A lot of these guys that fix houses are not coming back unless you have money. Period. My question to a lot of these people is, what makes you think that buying property, owning property, maintaining property is so easy? It is not. It's not. And why, if I'm already scared to put my money into the stock market because I'm in fear of a financial crash due to the economy, why would I want to then take my money and put it into a physical property that I can't get rid of? I'm going to be stuck into this property around a whole bunch of people that are broke. They are broke. If the economy takes a downturn, then that means the people in the economy don't have money. So who's going to pay me rent? So it sounds good, sounds bossed up. I got property, I have rental properties. But what good is a rental property if I live in your house and I'm not going to pay you? What you going to do? Oh, I'm going to evict you. Guess what? Evicting me takes 3 months. And when the COVID was happening, they wasn't even allowing the evictions. So what are you going to do? Do you know the process of evicting a person? Do you know the fees that you have to pay? Do you know the money that you're going to lose while you're waiting for all that to happen? Do you know all the things that you have to have right on your end before you go to file the eviction, by the time you go to court for that eviction, so they don't throw it out as soon as you get there? Did you cover all your tracks? See, these are things that's why I know a lot of these people are just talking. They haven't been in this business. Me, I've been in this since I was a child. So I know it. I know it firsthand. I really know it. So it sounds good to say I'm not going to invest in the stock market, so I'm just going to go buy real estate properties. But don't be left holding the bag. There's a lot of people that went and bought real estate properties and had to abandon them and are in debt for those same properties till this day. Because these debts don't just go away. You know what I'm saying? When you got houses that have been repossessed, good luck trying to do anything else in life. It's going to be very hard. You better go find a rich old man or a rich old woman. You know what I'm saying? And you better start OnlyFans. So I just wanted to put that in, so you can put this into perspective, because people just love throwing that out. Go get rental property. Yeah, I'm just gonna take my money and I'm gonna get rental property. Oh, yeah. oh, are you? Oh, sounds good. Oh, you built for that? Everybody's not made to be a landlord. Everybody's not meant to have property. Everybody's not meant to maintain properties. It's not easy. It's not cheap. And there's a lot of L's that you take in the process. So you'd be better off day trading. Honestly, truth be told, day trade. I wouldn't even invest for right now because they already talking about the crash. Don't invest for long term. Why do that? Wait for the crash to happen. Then start thinking about it. Right now, this is where you change your strategy of investing. And what you do is you trade when you see it makes sense. Does it take more work? Yes. You have to do way more research. You have to really zero in on companies. You have to make your little list of companies that you see that have had a decent, solid track record, and you have to follow the news and see what's going on with them. You're gonna have to just make it do what it do. That's all I can say, because right now, as far as I see, I believe it. I am definitely a believer that the stock market is going to crash. In fact, I said it was going to crash last year at the end of the year. I was wrong, but I called that about 2 years ago. And I was wrong. It crashed at the beginning of the year, pretty much. And then went on a rally, the most crazy rally of all time. But, you know what I'm saying? But that was the warning. And now comes the real crash. All right. I would say hold on to your money. Because sometimes you got to know when to hold them. Sometimes it's not about making money. If you keep living, you're going to have more time to make money. Use this time to get better at strategies of investing versus trying to make money. Don't invest for the future, because the future could be bleak for a good little while. You don't know. So get the money that you want to play with. Get your strategies together on what you feel is quality for you. Get in there, man. Put your money in. Pull it out, man. Pull that money out. Get you a couple dollars out of each time, that you can. Don't be greedy. Keep 2021. Be modest. Be moderate. Be humble. Everything in life has a period of time when everything has to be torn down so that anew can be rebuilt. You'll find that in your scripture. You'll find that in your real life. Even if you look at all of the news going on. Look at all these companies being bought by another company. Companies are ending. Marriages are divorces are happening. People are splitting. A whole lot of things are associated with 2021. But that's a whole nother conversation that's a little bit deeper than what I want to take you guys on. But just look around. Look at the separation. Look at the end of things. Everything's coming to a head. You ever play blackjack? 21 and you're done. Keep that in your mind. 21 and you're done. That's always been the case. And since the stock market is just like gambling, don't think it doesn't apply for the stock market. So If you know that that's going to be the case, you have to plan wisely for you and your family. Be better, get smarter, so you can make smarter decisions with your money. Real estate is not the answer. More money, more problems. More possessions, more problems. That's what Puff Daddy should have said. Because more money, more problems. But more possessions, more problems. I'd rather have money. I'd rather have money than have possessions. I can't get rid of that. That's something I got to carry with me. That's something I have to protect, ensure. You know what I'm saying? I had to really think about that. So when people and people do it everywhere. When you in your little circles and people want to, real estate. Remember this conversation and hit them with these same questions and watch they look stupid, because most of them have never dealt with being a landlord. Take it from a landlord. It's not easy. Like, share, subscribe. Boop, boop.